Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be replacing the outer tie rods on my 85Z. This is going to be sort of a follow-up video to last week's where we did the Swift springs and the bump steer spacers. So if we come down here to the driver's side, I already have the wheel removed, and right here you can see we have our old tie rod and the boot is all ripped up and kind of all the grease is leaked out. So that's the reason why I'm replacing these. Again, this is going to be a very quick video, so I'll kind of run you through it really quickly. We're going to be taking off this cotter pin and this 19mm nut. Probably going to have to hammer the tie rod out of the knuckle here. And then there's a 22mm nut back here that we're going to break loose. And then the whole tie rod should be able to thread off. We're going to count the number of revolutions. That way when we put the new one on, it will be more or less within spec still. And then tomorrow I'll get an alignment and the car should be ready to go. So I'm going to put the camera down and we'll start working on it. Okay, so just finished up over here on this side. Very easy, nothing was seized. Normally you'll have a hard time getting the tie rod out of the knuckle here. You might have to hammer it with a hammer, or you'll have to get a pickle fork to kind of pry it out. Same back here, sometimes this can be seized and you might even need some heat or penetrating oil. Luckily mine came off pretty easily. But yeah, all finished up on this side. You can see our old one here, how beat up it was. Your new tie rod should come with a new nut and a one of these things here. So with this side finished up, I'm going to do the same on the other side and we'll be done. Alright, so we just got finished removing both of the old tie rods. As you saw, the passenger side was a little bit seized and I had to use one of these. This is a pickle fork. You kind of just jam it between the knuckle and the tie rod and then you just smash it with a hammer and then it popped out. So yeah, with these done now, tomorrow morning I'm gonna go get an alignment. I'm just gonna tell the guy to make sure everything's nice and straight. Maybe he can adjust the camber on my coilovers because I'm not too sure if it's equal. So that's it guys, just a quick little video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next week.